Hey everyone, check out the ZGDFSM Portable Folding Stool, perfect for all your outdoor adventures. This telescopic camping chair features adjustable height, making it comfortable for both adults and kids. It's lightweight and compact, easily fitting into your suitcase or locker with handy shoulder straps for carrying. The upgraded folding design includes a unique locking system that opens and closes in seconds, supporting up to 600 pounds. Whether you're fishing, hiking, gardening, or just relaxing at a picnic, this stool is your ideal portable seat. Its versatility extends to indoor use too, from the living room to the office. Enjoy comfort wherever you go with this durable, easy-to-carry folding stool. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.